Hey! Did you forget what you're doing? Come over here and play. Come over here and play. Yeah, there it is. There it is. Come on. What? How are you gonna crawl now? Come on, Hammy. Come on. Come play. We're like your sister. Come on. That's not how you crawl, buddy. You're gonna fall. You think that's funny? Yeah. Your leg's stuck. Your leg's stuck. Now what are you gonna do? Oh, Mommy thought you were gonna fall. Come on. Come play. I'm gonna play with it first. What? There it is, Hammy. Can you go closer? You gotta go closer. You're gonna fall and hit your head. Go ahead. Move a little closer. Who's that handsome man in there? Who's that handsome man? Is that Michael?